Top 10 Motivational Quotes for Nelson Mandela. Education is the most powerful weapon, which you can use to change the world. Nelson Mandela. A good head and a good heart are always a formidable combination. Nelson Mandela. In my country, we go to prison first and then become president. Nelson Mandela. If you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. Top 10 motivational in his quotes language for Nelson Mandela. Goes to his heart. Nelson Mandela. Does anybody really think that they didn't get what they had? Because they didn't have the talent, or the strength, or the endurance, or the commitment. Nelson Mandela. I detest racialism because I regard it as a barbaric thing. Whether it comes from a black man or a white man, Nelson Mandela. I have retired, but if there's anything that would kill me, it is to wake up in the morning not knowing what to do. Nelson Mandela. I made a mistake by being ejected from the presidency. Next time, I will choose a cabinet which will allow me to be life president. Nelson Mandela. I have always regarded myself, in the first place, as an African patriot. Nelson Mandela. Prison life. Fortunately, I spent a lot of years, about 18 years with other prisoners, and, as I say, they enriched your soul. Nelson Mandela.